Hello, this is Piano Mind, and I hope my sharing can be of help to you. In the realm of music learning, the choice of musical score versions is crucial for performers to comprehend and express musical compositions. Among them, Urtext scores have gained significant attention for their commitment to restoring the original intentions of composers. In today's video, I will elaborate on three aspects: the concept of Urtext, the pros and cons of Urtext, and recommendations for Urtext publishing houses. This will provide you with a better understanding of musical scores and assist you in selecting the most suitable scores for yourself. Let's first delve into what Urtext versions entail. The concept of Urtext scores emerged in the early 20th century. Introduced by Günther Henel, the founder of the German Henel publishing house. The origin of this concept is tied to the chaos in musical score versions at the time. In the 19th century, performers made extensive modifications to works, resulting in a multitude of versions with varying quality. This blurred the original appearance of the compositions, casting doubt on the reliability of musical scores. Growing up in this context, Günther Henel proposed the Urtext score concept. The core idea revolves around basing the score on the composer's manuscripts, letters, first edition scores, and other original materials, creating a pure score as close as possible to the composer's intentions. This effort aims to restore the true essence of the works, bringing performers closer to the composer's original musical conception. Urtext scores typically come with prefaces, providing introductions to the works, explanations of controversial sections, and evaluation reports, enabling performers to gain a comprehensive understanding of the score production process. The comprehensive academic background of Urtext versions can be attributed to several factors. 1. The emergence of a consciousness for accurate notation in the 19th century. There was a gradual rise in the idea of precisely performing musical notes, leading performers to demand more accurate and clear scores. 2. The emphasis on composer manuscripts. As the pursuit of the composer's original intent increased, manuscripts became a crucial basis for creating Urtext scores. 3. The rise of musicological research. With the deepening of musicological studies, the pursuit of the origin of works became an academic trend, and the concept of Urtext scores gained recognition in scholarly circles. Despite the advantages of Urtext versions, is it the best choice for you? In reality, this version is not without controversy, and its pros and cons are evident. While it excels in restoring the composer's original intent, avoiding excessive alterations, and providing stronger guidance for professional performers, Urtext versions also have some drawbacks. It may be overly theoretical, neglecting the performer's individuality and the characteristics of the era. Urtext versions may encounter interpretational disputes. Composer manuscripts are not always clear, leading to interpretational disagreements. This can result in the uncertainty of Urtext versions and even the creation of different versions based on different interpretations. This version may limit the possibilities of diverse interpretations. Urtext versions can make performers overly adherent to the original text, diminishing the potential for innovative and rich interpretations found in other versions. This might lead to a lack of diversity in musical expression. Therefore, understanding your level of comprehension of musical scores and clarifying your goals for performance is crucial. This way, you can choose the most suitable version for your learning needs. Lastly, if you're looking to purchase Urtext versions of musical scores, I recommend several reputable Urtext publishing houses for your reference. 1. G. Henel Verlag. As the originator of the Urtext score concept, G. Henel Verlag is renowned for its high-quality scores, offering Urtext versions of numerous classical and romantic period works. 2. Bärenreiter Verlag. This German publishing house is praised for its meticulous Urtext scores, characterized by reliability and academic rigor, covering a wide range of musical genres. 3. Breitkopf and Hartel. As one of the oldest music publishing houses in Europe, Breitkopf and Inhertel, provides Urtext versions of many classical works. They emphasize musicological research, offering performers rich background information. 4. Edition Peters, headquartered in London, this publishing house has an extensive collection of Urtext versions, spanning from the Baroque to contemporary music. It is highly regarded for its authoritative editing. These publishing houses are known for their respect for original works and high editorial standards, making them excellent choices for finding Urtext musical scores. In conclusion, whether to use Urtext versions depends on your personal preferences and performance goals. Typically, a flexible application of Urtext, combined with other versions, allows for a more enriching experience and a comprehensive understanding of music learning. The essence of music is not confined to a single version but unfolds in a multifaceted manner through diverse interpretations.